Hi guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. Welcome to another skincare video. I'm so excited to have you join me, and thank you so much for clicking this video. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about sheet mask, hydrating sheet masks. Most of you see them in the market, or you've come across people using them on your timeline on social media. So I decided to film this video to do a review of two face masks I recently used: the St. Ives glowing sheet mask. It contains apricot, and the simple sensitive skin um pollution protect sheet masks with vitamin B and antioxidants. And I wanted to do a review for you guys and let you know what I think about these two products in comparison to each other, and if it's something you would like to try out based on the benefits of one or over the other. So you're welcome, and keep watching. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. So I wrote some things down which I want to discuss with you guys about the face mask. And one of the first things I wrote is, who needs a face or sheet mask? I don't like calling it face mask because it feels like it represents something else. But who needs a sheet mask? I think everyone should use a sheet mask from time to time, because everyone needs to have a hydrated and properly moisturized skin. But particularly people who have drier skin and cracky, dehydrated skin, you would find that the sheet masks will be really, really helpful in instantly hydrating your skin and giving it a certain level of plump and moisturization. It just feels more soft and supple after you use the sheet mask. So another thing I want to also talk about is, when should you use the sheet mask? Typically for me, when I use the sheet mask on my face, I just wash my face, pat it dry, and then apply the sheet mask immediately after. Sometimes you can also, but if you have a skincare, like a comprehensive skincare routine, you would want to use the mask, the sheet mask, after applying your toner and then putting on the sheet mask. Sheet masks are kind of like it feels like cotton that is infused into hydrating solutions. They may contain retinol, vitamin B, they may contain vitamin C as well. They may contain whatever active ingredients. I've seen sheet masks that contain salicylic acid. But even when they contain these active ingredients, majority of their composition, say 70 to 80%, is mostly hydrating components to hydrate and moisturize your skin. So you would find that whenever you use it, your skin feels more moisturized, it feels more supple, it feels more tender to the touch. So if you're someone that is experiencing drier skin, flaky skin, and you just feel like your skin is not as tender as you would want, sheet masks are something to incorporate into your skincare routine. Okay, now that I have that out of the way, I'm going to be comparing these two sheet masks for you guys. These two sheet masks are the latest sheet mask I've used. I didn't review the first one I ever used. I can't even remember the name because the product, the label or the brand name was not really memorable. Yes, that's what it wasn't really memorable. Anyway, the first one I used of this set I purchased. I still have one more of this left in my wardrobe. This St. Ives and this simple sheet mask. I used this one first and it felt kind of weird because I wrote some of the things I observed while I was using the sheet mask. First of all, it feels very, very oily, and I have a normal to combination skin, so I didn't really like it. And I now imagined if somebody that is having an oily skin use this St. Ives, this particular one, how they will feel, because my skin felt very, very oily. I used it at night after taking my bath and applied it, let it stay on my face for like 10 to 15 minutes before removing it. Guys, this thing contains so much moisture, so much oil. Like I had to rub it all over my body, all over my hand, because the product, it contains excess product. Like I didn't even know what to do with it. So I'm going to advise that somebody with oily skin, you might want to be more cautious of using, more careful, or might want to stay away from using this because it feels more oily. I wrote that it felt greasy. Yes, it felt really, really greasy to my palm. Like I had to wash my hand. It just felt like I was going to chook my hand inside oil. Um, I also noticed that it's very sticky. Yes, my face felt very, very sticky. I was so uncomfortable when I used it that night. I even felt like going to wash off the product, but my money can always. So I just, let it stay on my face for the night. Another thing I notice is that yes, it gives, after removing the sheet mask, after you've left it for like 10 to 15 minutes, it gives an instant hydration and softness, brings an instant hydration and softness to your face. Yes, so I wrote that it has so much product. I had to rub the rest on my body, especially the sole of my feet, because they've been dry. I don't even know why I wrote it like that, but yes, that's what I did. Like I said, this product is, they were not stingy with the product at all. I mean the lubricant, the hydrating product in it, the liquid in it. I'm just describing it in different ways. So when you open this product, right, I'm sure it's very easy to understand. It still even contains some products inside. I've thrown the face the sheet mask away, but this is what it looks like, and you just apply it like this on your face and stay for like 10 to 15 minutes and allow your skin, soak up all that moisture. um Another thing I noticed about this face mask is that it instantly gets rid of really dry, dull skin. So if you're somebody whose skin is dry and dull, um you're not really impressed with the outlook of your skin, this face mask is something to incorporate into your skincare routine. Now, about this simple sheet mask. This simple sheet mask also, I use it the same way I use the other one. Right after taking my bath, pat my face dry and then I just wear the face mask. I kind of I liked the feel of this one better than the what's it called, the St. Ives sheet mask, because it felt more like I applied a regular moisturizer on my face. This one was great, don't get me wrong. It's just I didn't like that greasy, oily feeling. This one felt like a normal, like I applied a normal, really hydrating face cream, and so it wasn't sticky. So that's why I'm a little bit more biased to this. It wasn't sticky, it absorbed instantly into my skin. It made my skin feel soft. I think that's the general idea of these sheet masks. It made my skin feel really, really soft instantly and look good. The only thing why I prefer it to the St. Ives is that this one doesn't feel greasy, doesn't leave my hands and my face feeling tacky and somehow. That's why I prefer this one over this, but this is also a very, very great product. Another thing is that I don't like about this simple is that it doesn't contain as much product as this one. This one you can use it up to twice. The problem is, where will you get sheet masks, except maybe if you want to reuse this, which I don't know how hygienic or advisable that is. But this one contains so much more products than this one. This one gives more value for money than this one. This one has enough products to last you even twice. So that's one thing I like about this one over this one. But in terms of compatibility, yes, with my skin type, this one felt more compatible with my skin type over this one. This one I would advise for people that have really, really dry skin, because it brings not only hydration but some oils, like oily factor as well, in addition to the moisturization and hydration to the facial skin. So that's one advantage that this one has over this one. Guys, another thing I need to mention on the differences between these scent eyes and this simple sheet mask is the fact that when you apply this scent eye sheet mask, right, it says on the pack of both of them that you should leave them for on your face, leave the sheet mask like this on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, right? Beautiful. What I noticed about this simple sheet mask, that's this particular mask, this one is the one from Simple, is the fact that after say 10 to 15 minutes, you can, it becomes like this, like it's dry, it becomes dry. So the product has kind of like left the this medium, right? It becomes dry and you can just easily peel it out of your skin. But you see the scent eyes, if you like stay 30 minutes, the product will not, the sheet mask will not dry, it will still retain so much oil. You can even squeeze out the oil and use it to fry egg. I'm not even kidding you. So that's another difference I noticed between this and this. You can stay with this one for up to 30 minutes and it will not, the medium, that's the mask, will not dry out at all or become anything like this. Look at the other one, this scent ice. If you squeeze it like this, oil will just be coming out, oil will just be coming out. So that's another difference between this one and this one. So now that I've told you guys all this, it is left to you to make your decision based on what you heard me say about the differences between this and this, the pros and cons for you and your particular skin type. Yes, and your particular skin type. So it's up to you to decide. I've given you the information on the comparison between this and this. Let me know what you think when you try it, which one you prefer to try out. I'll be waiting to hear from you guys. Next thing I need to talk about is probably the price point. I got this 3 of them because I have one of these I've not used yet. I got 3 of them from the supermarket for like, I think 1,000 naira each, if I'm not mistaken. I went shopping and so I just picked them up and added to my cart other things I was purchasing. But I'll need to check to confirm if I still have the receipt and I'll put it up somewhere. I think they cost 1,000 naira each. So yes guys, if you have really dehydrated skin, sheet masks are something to incorporate into your skincare routine if you've never used them before. Guys, I promise you, if you incorporate this into your skincare routine, if you've not been doing it before, right, you would see instant result. And I kid you not, instant results. So you might want to use it every other day if you are moneyed, if money is not a problem. What's that flavor song? Balling, how much is money, right? Good. So if money is not a problem for you, you can choose to use it every day, there is no problem. But I personally use it every other day because I really don't have any major skin issues I'm trying to tackle right now. Another thing I need to mention is that this will probably not tackle any skincare issues that you have. It's mostly a hydrating product. It's mostly a moisturizing product. So if you are somebody suffering from say hyperpigmentation, acne, melasma and all those things, and you want to use this to treat that, you probably not see any desirable result. But dry skin girls, get in here with sheet masks and let me know your experience and what you think after you use it. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. I will see you in my very next one. Bye guys.